Innovate India, National Science and Idea Fest, INSIF Edition 1.
I'm very happy to be here on the invitation given by the SRM Department of Networking and Communications. SRM is not new to anyone here, and I have had previous visits in SRM as chief guest for various other programs. And it is one college which has been always quite responsive to what is happening around the university. Whenever we have reached out for any sort of support, whether it is in sports or in any aspect, SRM has always come forward to positively help us in the in our meeting our needs. So, when you talk about Innovate India, National Science and Idea Fest, what comes to your mind when you say innovate? I just want to know before I start, everybody can understand, right? I can speak in Tamil and English. How many government school children are here? எத்தனை பிள்ளைங்க கவர்மெண்ட் ஸ்கூல்ஸ்லேருந்து வந்திருக்கீங்க? So yeah, I'm very happy that so many children from the government schools have been invited here to participate. When you talk about innovate, I think the person who spoke before me, actually it's a disadvantage to speak second or third. So I'm very happy she gave a very beautiful introduction. So I don't want to get into that part of introducing why this event was organized or why you are all here and what is thought process behind organizing this program. But I would definitely want to turn your attention to some of the things that are happening around us. I think children எல்லாருக்குமே உங்களுக்கு தெரியும். நாங்கெல்லாம் படித்த காலங்களில், see those days when we were going to school or when we were growing up, there were some of the things that we were never heard of. I'm sure many of the people sitting in the front row probably will join with me. Like for example, robotics கேள்விப்பட்டிருக்கீங்களா? ஆர்டிஃபிஷியல் இன்டெலிஜென்ஸ் கேள்விப்பட்டிருக்கீங்களா? குளோபல் வார்மிங் அந்த வேர்டெல்லாம் நம்ம ஸ்கூல் படிக்கும் போது கேள்விப்பட்டதே இல்லை. Climate changes. We grew up as a happy lot of children going to school and college, enjoying our life. There was no cell phone. Many of us, I think when I was probably in 5th standard or 6th standard, I think the TV, color TV, all those innovations happened at that time. And we were actually more free and happily roaming and playing and enjoying and talking, visiting people. That was our lifestyle. Now going forward, when I look at today, இன்னைக்கு நீங்க பார்க்கும்போது every day you see, when you switch on the television, all that you see is disasters, issues, problems, newer problems are emerging. So that is why we are all here today. If you see, as she has rightly pointed out, they have diversified this event into 5 parts. Agriculture-la enna problems irukku, health-la enna problems varudhu, in technology, in other various sectors, what are the newer problems that we are facing? Because of cell phone or the technology, you find there are positive things happening, there are also negative things happening. Because of technology, we have come closer to the world. We know what is happening today in America. Before Americans know, we know what's happening. And we have grown. We have the phone always with us. We have the internet to provide all the information. This is the positive side. But you look at the negative side. There is cyber crime. There is a lot of issues happening in banking systems where people lose their money. People who are doing fraud and corruption, they are using technology as a main source. Then you come to agriculture. If you look at agriculture, when I conduct actually farmers GDP, actually farmers grievance day we conduct every month once. The farmers come up with new issues, and honestly speaking, we are yet to find out solutions. You all of you must be knowing the elephant corridor solvanga, and the elephants happily used to move from one place to another as a herd. Oru edathila irundhu innoru edathukku they move on with as a family. With the urbanization and with more buildings and development coming, and the forest areas illa and avங்களுடைய பாதை அவங்க போற பாதையை it gets completely urbanized. So because of that, these animals, which are so used to the forest, they start wandering, coming into the villages. And many of the elephants also get struck by the trains. With a fast moving train, the elephants get hit. So this was a very big challenge. I think on the belt, Coimbatore, Pollachi, that side you have a lot of elephant movement. So with AI technology, they were able to find out a high definition camera which could monitor and give out a siren that will really threaten the elephant to move away from the railway track. And it was quite amazing to see in the இருட்டில் அந்த எலிஃபென்ட் வாக் பண்ணும்போது கூட அந்த சென்சார் லைட்ஸ் வச்சு இட்ஸ் ஏபிள் டு அப்சார்ப் to capture the image of the elephant and give a siren so that we can save the life of the elephant. This is one example. If you see, the farmers are, as I told you, we have, because of the climate change, global warming, நிறைய floods வருது. There is a loss of crops, damage to crops. How do you protect them? Then because of drought, you find the பூமி ரொம்ப அப்படியே hard ஆகி you are not able to grow anymore proper crops. So we have to look at crops which are climate resilient. So agriculture பார்த்தீங்கன்னா there are a lot of technologies, modern, they are trying to address the issues. Healthcare again. Now we recently, some few years back, நம்ம எல்லாருமே கொரோனான்ற ஒரு யாருமே கேட்காத ஒரு புது வியாதி வந்துச்சு. அப்போ the entire globe the entire world came to a standstill. And what happened? That affected livelihoods, that affected health. I know some of the people who have been affected by corona were still not able to manage life. They are susceptible to frequent infections and lung infections. ஸோ இப்படிலாம் புது புது பிரச்சனைகள் வரும்போது நியூவர் டெக்னாலஜிஸ், நியூவர் இனோவேஷன்ஸ் ஆர் நெசசரி அண்ட் நீட் ஆஃப் தி ஆர். ஸோ வைல் வி ஆர் ஆல் இன் அவர் மிட் 40s and 50s and then maybe in a few years we will all retire. நாங்கெல்லாம் யாரை நம்பி இருக்கிறோம்? யாரை நம்பி இருக்கோம்? ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ், உங்களை மாதிரி ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸை தான். ஸோ ஐ எம் வெரி ஹாப்பி டு see so many young minds. I call each of you an innovator. நீங்க தான் படைப்பாளியோ, இன்னோவேட்டர். So one of the initiatives that I have taken personally as a sub-collector is I'm working very closely with some schools. இப்போ last year பார்த்தீங்கன்னா school percentage had dropped in some of the government schools, so which is being tracked actually. So we have picked up, and in my division we've picked up about 8 schools. And the 8 schools we have drilling down to understand and analyze எதனால இந்த குழந்தைங்களால they are not able to pass the exam. So mostly the focus goes on teachers, or maybe the teachers are not teaching well, but we wanted to look beyond that to see the children kunnu or need irukum. The children will face social issues, they may have health issues, they might have learning issues, they may have so many other things. So we started looking closely at that, and we started thinking that let us expose the children to more innovations. இப்போ அவங்களுக்கு என்ன பண்ணோம்னா waste to wealth அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு we put a problem and said, okay, இதெல்லாம் தான் waste, how do you bring something out of that, why don't you create? So amazingly நீங்க பார்த்தீங்கன்னா அந்த குழந்தைங்களுடைய brain is so active, they came up with such beautiful things that they created out of waste. The only thing is giving them an opportunity and sitting with them and helping them to understand that every child has a capacity to deliver. At the moment, as teachers, as elders, we give up on the children, then the children do not know where to go. So yesterday, while we started this movement of making the school a happy school and helping the children to understand, okay, என்னாலையும் முடியும், நானும் ஒன்று செய்வேன் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு அந்த challenges we started giving. So we found a phenomenal improvement in the children. Especially yesterday, one of the teachers came and thanked me and said, ma'am, I was so happy that whatever we are trying to do, bringing everybody together, including SRM. SRM also has a part to play in that. What he came and told me was, ma'am, there is a change in us itself. நாங்க எங்களுக்குள்ளே ஒரு மாற்றத்தை பார்க்கும். So I believe that this is also one initiative taken by this SRM college, where you have faith in the children to think that these kids can also think, innovate, and bring some resources into the world to meet the challenges of today as well as tomorrow. So once again, I want to congratulate the entire team sitting on the dais and all those who are sitting here, the teachers and the Pudiya Thalaimurai and SRM College and others, and all the students. Especially I heard that from over 25 schools, children are here in the morning. My best wishes to all of you. எல்லாருமே நல்லா செய்யுங்க. This is an opportunity many of us did not get. But you have been given a beautiful opportunity, and this is the time to think, put your 100% and give your best back to the society. இதுதான் உங்களுக்கு the institutions, நீங்கெல்லாம் நிறைய ஸ்கூல்ஸ் வந்திருப்பீங்க. இன்ஸ்டிடியூஷன்ஸ் உங்களுக்கு நிறைய வாய்ப்புகளை கொடுக்கும்போது அந்த வாய்ப்புகளை பயன்படுத்தி உங்கள் ஸ்கூலில் நிறைய பேர் இருக்காங்க, ஆனால் நீங்கள் தான் இங்கே வந்திருக்கீங்க. That means you have taken up a challenge, which means I want to really congratulate all of you. My best wishes, and do very well, and I hope to see very good innovations coming out of this initiative. Thank you.
அடுத்த ஆண்டு நடைபெறவிருக்கும் இன்சிஃப் எடிஷன் 2 பற்றிய செய்திகளை அறிந்து கொள்ள தொடர்பு கொள்ள வேண்டிய முகவரி: புதிய தலைமுறை அறக்கட்டளை, 24 GN செட்டி சாலை, தியாகராய நகர், சென்னை 6017.